Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm from El Salvador. I recently moved to Australia and I'm an English teacher. Why did I choose to do the course? Well, I'm an English teacher, but in Australia I need some certification. And this course was actually recommended by one of the teachers that taught me before, and she was great, and I kind of wanted to be like her, learn what she's learned as a teacher. So that's why I decided to come here. What did I learn that I never thought I would in this course? Well, honestly, as a teacher, I've been a teacher for over 10 years. And my first thought was like, oh, this is just a review, something I've learned, and it's just gonna be quickly, fast, easy. However, since the very first day, I felt like I learned a lot. And throughout the course, all the input sessions that we had, the teaching, practicing, I was learning, and I found myself very surprised of how much techniques and methodologies there are, and it's just been great. I feel like now my knowledge has improved a lot, so I'm very happy. Would I recommend this course? Yes, definitely. It's not only short, and you have to be prepared that it's an intensive class, but it's not that you're just being thrown at whatever you feel like. But little by little, gradually, they're teaching you some theory, and at the same time you're applying those techniques that you've learned throughout the teaching practices. And then towards the end, it's like a whole, this whole knowledge that you have, it's being applied to the class. But again, it's gradually taught to you through the course. What components of the course surprised me? Well, since the very first class, again, because I thought this will be just like a review of the teaching that I've had, but there are so many new things that I learned, techniques and time, language, skills, the framework, like all the methodologies, it was very new. How has this course changed my teacher beliefs? If I go back when I finish and graduate from university over 9-10 years ago, all the theory, it's quite different. When you come through the years, you kind of like let yourself loose and you start losing all that knowledge that you had. But with this class, that information just came back, and now I can see like how important the stages of the classes and the lessons are, and how important it is the clarification. Like each of the stages in the methodology are very important, and the way that you apply it's also very influential and very remarkable for students. So that's something that I really had kind of forgotten, left in the box, but now I can bring it back and I can be a better teacher. How would I describe the course in one word? Excellent. I know this is very general, but it has exceeded my expectations completely, and it's been an excellent experience. I've been learning so much. I've met people, and it's been just great, excellent experience. What memorable moments have a lasting impact in my career? Well, the fact that I got to observe some teachers, some experienced teachers in ILSC actually created a very impactful and great memory for me, because I was able to see clearly since the very beginning all the stages that he applied, and I was just like kind of mind-blowing, like how good this teacher was going through each stage. However, it was the flow of it was smooth. So I was able to identify that because I knew that from theory that I've learned, but it was really great. Also another teacher, the one in the input sections, Yuli, he was teaching us the theory through giving a class. So observing him, how he would deliver a class while also giving us some content, it was really great. I don't think I've ever had that. Well, I would like to say, guys, that This is a really great learning experience that I've had, and I completely encourage you to come. And I don't think I've mentioned, but I am from Queensland, that's where I'm living right now, and I decided to come to Sydney to do this course because it was short and it was recommended to me, and honestly, it's worth it. I do not regret that decision that I made to come here and take this class. So come on in and join us as the teachers here in Australia.